Hello and welcome back to Holly's Garage. Today we'll be making over this vintage white dresser. This was a commission piece and my client was getting a little bit tired of that brown wood top and asked me to repaint it in an off-white cream color. As always, we're going to take off the hardware first, so let's get started. I'm using my orbital sander to scuff sand the piece so that everything I put on top of it will stick really well. The back right corner had a little bit of damage, so I'm gonna mix up some Bondo and patch it up. This stuff will set on you pretty quick as soon as you add the hardener, so just remember to work fast. After I sanded off the remaining wood filler from the drawers, there was only one more repair left to do, and that was on the side of the dresser, and after that, we're ready to prime. I'm using Kiehl's Original Primer because it's oil-based, so it'll seal up the wood fibers on the top and create a really nice surface for me to paint over. My client wanted her dresser in an off-white color, so I'm mixing up some Sherwin-Williams Greek Villa, and that's just like a normal white, and then I'm using a light beige color as well. That's also from Sherwin, but I don't have the name of that. So if you're doing a client piece, just make sure to get approval on your color when you're mixing custom shades. Spraying white on white has got to be one of the hardest things in the world. I feel like I'm going blind just trying to see what I'm spraying. Maybe like a super far fast one. To protect the paint, I'm using 3 coats of Bear's water-based polyurethane in a matte finish. My client wanted to keep her old hardware, so I'm just going to clean it up with some soap and then I'm going to install it back onto the drawers. And in case you forgot, this is how the dresser looked before, and this is how it looks now. What do you think? It's a subtle change, but it looks so much cleaner, and the sprayed finish makes the paint so smooth it looks brand new again. So that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, then please leave a comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.